This money tree has many interesting properties, including a flexible trunk that can be braided. Money tree facts. The money tree is scientifically known as Pachira aquatica and originates in South America. The tree can mature in as few as 4 years. Its trunk is extremely soft and flexible and can easily withstand high pressures. The name derives from a myth that a chap who was down on his luck found the plant, started growing it, and sold the plants to make money. In the East, people tend to get then carried away and put money, ribbons, and good luck charms on these plants to bring money and luck. The leaves of this tree are thick and leathery and can be used for making various things like shoes, bags, jackets, and other stuff. Is the money tree trunk soft? Most money trees that you can buy consist of several plants that have been woven together. They optimally need a temperature as close to 68 degrees Fahrenheit as possible and tolerate lower temperatures down to about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. How can you tell if a money tree has root rot? You should not overwater a money tree. Water the plant only when the top layer of soil is dry to the depth of your index finger. Root rot in many plants tends to have a similar set of symptoms. The leaves sag and become dry, but when you check the soil, it is surprisingly wet. This is because the roots are rotting, and consequently, even though there is water, the plant cannot absorb the moisture. It is important to act quite quickly at this point. Remove your plant from the soil and rinse the dirt off what remains on the roots. Many people suggest spraying plants with fungicides. Rather use soil that contains beneficial protective fungi. Repot the plant in this soil and do not water it. Money trees actually store a lot of water in their stems and roots, so they can survive quite a long period without water. After a week or so, water your plant a little and then wait. If you only water when the soil gets dry, you stand a good chance of saving your plant. How do you revive a dying money tree? Check if the soil is wet or dry. If the soil is dry and the plant looks sad, give it water. If the soil is wet and the plant looks droopy, repot it. Do so in dry, well-drained soil, or let the soil dry out naturally. If the tree receives water occasionally and is not wet or dry, it could also be a light issue. Move the plant to a spot where it gets a few hours of gentle sunlight and a few hours of dappled sunlight. Why is my money tree trunk so thin? A plant with a long straggly thin stem is probably stretching too much to get to the light. Move it closer to a window or light source. You can also install a supplemental light source. Money tree sprouting from trunk, the facts. When these plants are growing in the right conditions, they often produce new growth from the base or trunk of the plant. This is a normal process if you are following proper watering schedules that are not missed, timeless fertilization applications, regular pruning, and ample sunlight. Money tree dead trunk, how to fix. Poor maintenance, the environment and climate, and pests and diseases can be to blame for your money tree's dead trunk. First, get rid of any broken or fallen branches and leaves that are visible. Then, check your plant to see if the entire trunk is dead. If this is the case, then it is advisable to select a healthy section from your plant to start a new one. Tracing all existing leaf growth to its existing stems in the braided trunk is also essential. If you find any stem that is not supportive of its leaves, then that is a clear indication that that part of the trunk is dead. Thereafter, you will need to uproot your plant, rinse off all the dirt from the roots, remove any damaged parts, and repot it in fresh soil. The soil should be a peat-based growing medium that has exceptional drainage properties. To avoid root rot from recurring, make sure that your watering schedule is routinely adjusted. The Pachira aquatica tree has a trunk that is soft and flexible, yet strong enough to hold up its branches. Keep your plants in well-drained soil, do not overwater them, and give them enough indirect sunlight, and you should have beautiful, healthy money plants. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.